Harikshna Prabhu, Dandavats. Prabhu, my question is regarding the chanting. So, the best time for chanting is during Brahma Muhurat, but some days our rounds should be left and we have to come down in the evening after work and we have to chant. So, I face difficulty in chanting when I feel lazy and tired after coming from office. So, how do we do a very nice chanting even when we are feeling lazy or tired? Thank you, Prabhu.
Yes, if you remember, when you do mechanical japa, it is tiring. When you do soulful japa, that's why you have to do the training, soulful japa. When Krishna is before you, just like you see somebody, a poor man gets a lottery ticket. He cannot sleep because he is always thinking of, oh, I got money, I got money, I got money, I got money, I got money. Right? Similarly, when you chant, I got Krishna, I got Krishna, I got Krishna, I got Krishna, you cannot sleep. Cannot be lazy. So what is the consciousness with which, you have to understand, what am I doing? I am not doing some mechanical mala gumaing. I am doing namasmarana, I am doing Krishna smarana. My eternal friend, my eternal protector, he's come before me. You are not thinking at that time, you are feeling the presence. If somebody is far away, okay, I am thinking of God, I am thinking of God. No, you are not thinking of God. You are feeling the presence of God. No, He has come before you. You are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, and then you are thinking, see, when I am chanting, I should think of Krishna and Goloka Vrinda. Hare, He only has come in front of you and you are thinking of Krishna and Goloka Vrinda. Right in front of you, feel His presence. In the Shabda Rupa Avatara, feel His presence. And then you will relish your chanting. If you want to feel His presence, Krishna will make His presence felt to you.